Did you know that ketchup effectively polishes sturdy jewelry? As surprising as it sounds, that tangy tomato-based condiment you love can restore the stunning shine of your well-worn accessories and new special finds. First, fill a bowl with a generous amount of ketchup. Immerse your jewelry in the paste for around 5 minutes to give the tomato paste enough time to break down dirt and tarnish. But don't leave them for too long. Also, avoid soaking jewelry pieces with precious gemstones. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below for more jewelry tips and hacks. Next, gently clean your jewelry with a soft bristled toothbrush to remove dirt and grime from every nook and cranny. Tomatoes are rich in acidic properties. They contain acetic acid, which is a mild yet effective cleaning agent. Ketchup can break down dirt, grime, oil, and tarnish from the surface of gold, silver, and plated jewelry to bring back the beautiful luster of tarnished accessories. Finally, rinse your jewelry thoroughly, ensuring there's no ketchup residue. Pat it dry with a soft, clean cloth. With this quick, simple hack, your gold jewelry will shine like new in no time. If you want another easy cleaning solution you can do at home, watch our video on how to clean gold with vinegar and baking soda.